Welcome, dear students. In the previous classes, I have given the introduction of arithmetic progression and solved some sums. Now, in this class, we are going to solve some more sums. Question number 2. Write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following sums. Now, first sum is A is 10, D is 5. When first term A and the common difference D are given, then the AP will be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. So this is the first term, this is second term, and this will be third term, and this will be fourth term, and so on. So T1 is equal to what? A, first term. So which is given, that is 10. And T2 is what? A plus D. So first term plus common difference. 10 plus 5, common difference is 5, so it is 15. T3 is what? A plus 2D. So A is what? 10, 2 multiplied by 5, D is 5. So this is 10, so 10 plus 10, 20. And T4 is what? A plus 3D. So 10 plus 3 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 10 plus 15, which is equal to 25. Therefore, the AP is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, etc. 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. Now, one more method I'll teach you. Alternate method is, now A is 10, D is 5. So A is equal to T1. So T1 is what? 10. So directly you can write second term is equal to first term plus common difference. First term is 10 plus common difference is 5, so which is 15. And third term is what? Second term plus common difference. So second term is 15 plus common difference 5, which is equal to 20. Fourth term, third term plus common difference, which is equal to 20 plus 5, which is equal to 25. Therefore, the AP is what? 10, 20, 15, 20, 25, etc. So you can follow any one method. Second question, A is equal to minus 3, D is 0. A is what? T1, first term. So T1 is what? Minus 3. T2 is what? First term plus common difference. So minus 3 plus 0, which is equal to minus 3. And T3 is what? T2 plus D. So T2 is what? Minus 3 plus 0, which is equal to minus 3. Now T4 is what? T3 plus D, which is equal to, again, minus 3 plus 0, which is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the AP is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, etc. Third sum, A is equal to minus 7, D is 1 by 2. Now the solution. Now A is first term, which is equal to T1. So T1 is minus 7. And T2 is T1 plus common difference. So minus 7 plus common difference 1 by 2. So take the LCM. So there is no denominator. Put 1 as the denominator. Take LCM and do the calculations. Okay. So 2 minus 4. Now here look at this. Minus 7 upon 1 plus 1 by 2. Already I have told you this in the previous classes. How to take LCM. So the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Now how many times this 1 will go here? 2 times. So multiply the numerator by 2. So minus 14. And this 2 will go only one time here. So multiply the numerator by 1. So plus 1. So minus 14 plus 1. So you have to use the rule of the integers. So when the signs are different, use the sign of the number with the larger absolute value and subtract it. So minus 14 plus 1 is equal to what? Minus 13 by 2. So that is T2. Next, T3 is what? T2 plus D. What is T2? T2 is minus 13 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Here the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, put the same denominator and just add the numerator. Okay. So minus 13 plus 1. Again use here the signs are different. So you have to use the rule of the integers, and this will be minus 12 upon 2. Now when you cancel this, you will get minus 6. Okay. You have to write either this or this. Next, T4 is what? T3 plus D. Now T3, I am going to use this value because the calculation will be easier. So minus 12 upon 2 plus 1 by 2. Again the denominators are same. So put the common denominator and write the numerators as it is, minus 12 plus 1, and according to this rule it is minus 11 by 2. So the AP is first term minus 7, second term minus 13 by 2, and third term any one you have to write. Okay, don't write both. So I am writing this. So minus 6, and fourth term is minus 11 upon 2, etc. Next, third sum. So in the same sum only, alternate method. So A is equal to what? Minus 7, and D is equal to 1 by 2. It is a fraction, proper fraction. And convert this into a decimal fraction. So 1 by 2 is what? 0.5. Okay. So first term T1 is what? Minus 7. T2 is T1 plus common difference. So minus 7 plus 0.5. Just you have to again see the signs are different. So use the integers rule and subtract it and write. Okay. So the working is given here. So minus 6.5. Similarly, T3 is what? T2 plus D. T2 is what? Minus 6.5 plus 0.5. So again you have to subtract it and put the greater absolute values number sign, and you just subtract it. T4 is what? T3 plus D. So T3 is what? Minus 6 plus 0.5. Do the calculation and write this is minus 5.5. So the AP is minus 7, minus 6.5, minus 6, minus 5.5, etc. Next, fourth question. A is minus 1.25, D is 3. So A is equal to T1 first term. So T1 is what? Minus 1.25. T2 is what? T1 plus D. So T1 is minus 1.25 plus 3. So this 3 is a whole number. So put 3.00, and this is plus 3, and this is minus 1.25. Okay. So again use the rule of the integers and do the calculation. So we are getting 1.75. T3 is what? T2 plus D. So T2 is 1.75 plus 3. So again 3 I am writing this is 3.00. Here the signs are same. So when the signs are same, put the same sign and just add it. Next, fourth term. T4 is T3 plus D. T4 is what? T3 is what? 4.75 plus 3. So again here the signs are same. Put 3.00, and when the signs are same, put the same sign and add. Okay. So we are getting 7.75. So the AP is minus 1.25 and plus. So no need to put the plus signs here. So just write 1.75, 4.75, 7.75, etc. Fifth sum, A is equal to 6, D is minus 3. Now A is equal to what? First term T1. So T1 is equal to 6. T2 is what? T1 plus common difference. So 6 plus of minus 3. Okay. So plus of minus 3. So 6. Now open the bracket. There are two signs. We have to make it one sign. So plus of minus is what? Minus. So 6 minus 3 is equal to what? 3. Next T3 is what? T2 plus D. T2 is 3 plus of minus 3. Again 3 minus 3. Plus of minus is minus. So minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. T4 is T3 plus D. T3 is 0 plus of minus 3. So again plus of minus 3 is minus 3. So 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So the AP is first term 6, second term 3, third term 0, fourth term minus 3, etc. Now sixth sum, A is equal to minus 19 and D is what? Minus 4. Now A is equal to T1. So T1 is what? Minus 19. So T2 is what? T1 plus D. So T1 is what? Minus 19 plus of minus 4. Again plus of minus 4 is minus 4. Here the signs are same. Minus 19 minus 4. When the signs are same, put the same sign and add it. So minus 23. T3 is what? T2 plus D. That is minus 23 plus of minus 4. So again plus of minus 4 is minus 4. Minus 23 minus 4. Again same sign. So put the same sign, add it. Okay, minus 27. T4 is T3 plus D. T3 is minus 27 plus of minus 4. Common difference is 4. So plus of minus 4 is what? Minus 4. Same sign, put the same sign, add it. That's all. So the AP is minus 19, minus 23, minus 27, minus 31, etc. Next, question number 3. Question number 3 is, find the first term and the common difference for each of the AP. AP is given here. Very simple. We have to find out the first term as well as the common difference. So name this as T1, T2, T3, T4. So A is equal to T1. So which is equal to what? 5. So therefore the first term is 5. And common difference is what? There are. Now you can write T1, T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. Okay. So we are finding all the three value. All the three value will be same. So first one is T2 minus T1. So T2 is what? 1 minus 5. So which is equal to minus 4. Similarly T3 minus T2 is what? Minus 3 minus 1. Again the signs are same. So it is minus 4. Next is T4 minus T3 minus 7 minus of minus 3. So minus of minus is plus. Minus 7 plus 3 is equal to what? Minus 4. Therefore the common difference is what? Minus 4. The first term is 5. Second sum 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5, etc. So it is T1, T2, T3, T4. So A is equal to what? T1, which is equal to 0.6. That is first term. Now D is equal to what? T2 minus T1. Okay. Or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. Now first T2 is what? 0.9 and T1 is 0.6. Very simple. Just subtract and write 0.3. Similarly here T3 is what? 1.2 minus 0.9. So again it is 0.3. Next T4 is 1.5 minus 1.2. Again it is 0.3. Therefore the common difference is 0.3 The first term is 0.6. Next sum, third sum is 127, 135, 143, 151, etc. So T1, T2, T3, T4. Now A is equal to what? T1, first term. So 127, that is the first term. And D is equal to what? T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. We are finding all the three values. All the three values will be the same. So 135 minus 127, which is 8. 143 minus 135, that is also 8. 151 minus 143, that is also 8. Therefore, the common difference is 8 and the first term is what? 127. Now, the last sum is 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 7 by 4, etc. T1, T2, T3, T4. So, first term A is equal to what? T1, which is 1 by 4. That is first term. And D is equal to what? T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. So, T2 is what? 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. So, take the common denominator and just write the numerator as it is and subtract it. 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. Similarly, here T3 is what? 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. So, take the common denominator 4, 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2 upon 4. Again, cancel it, we will get 1 by 2. Similarly, here T4 minus T3, 7 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4. Take the common denominator and write 7 minus 5. And we are getting again 2 upon 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the common difference is 1 by 2. The first term is what? 1 by 4. That's all. So children, I hope you understood. And next class we will solve some more sums.